Why the dopamine hits stop working when you abandon yourself. Here's what's happening neurologically plus emotionally. When you're in a chronic dopamine-seeking loop, new goals, constant reward chasing, the brain gets desensitized. Your nervous system stays in a low-level stress state, sympathetic activation even during success. And if you were raised to believe your worth is in your output, you may unknowingly be running a fawn achieve pattern productivity as safety. Emotional intelligence is the ability to detect these internal misalignments early and course correct from within. If you've been grinding without clarity, you're not broken, you're unaligned, and it's not a mindset to fix. It's a nervous system one.